let's return to our conversation about data and let's talk about levels of measurement. So we can arrange data or classify data into these 4 different levels of measurement. If we think about them in order, the first level is the nominal level, then we have the ordinal level, the interval level, and the ratio level. The nominal level consists of data that belongs to categories or labels. And this type of data cannot be ordered in any meaningful way. So an example of this might be gender. So we're not going to put females before males or vice versa. Political party preference. So we can't order Democrats, Republicans, Independent Party. When we write them in a list, which one we put first really has nothing to do with the data itself. Colors, for example, or we could talk about eye color, would be measured at the nominal level. There is no ranking of eye color. The next level of measurement is the ordinal level. Data measured at the ordinal level can be put into some natural ordering, but the differences between the values are meaningless. So a good example of this would be military ranks, or even ranks within, a fire department or a police station. There's clearly someone above you or below you, but really, what is the difference between your ranks? There isn't a numerical value that defines the difference. Or even if we talk about like letter sizing, small, medium, or large, or like if you go to Starbucks, you have, your tall, grande, and venti. It doesn't make sense to take the difference of a tall cup and a grande cup. Letter grades are another example, like A, B, C, D, and F. Survey responses of satisfaction level, like how well are you satisfied with this service? Very satisfied or not satisfied at all. You can't give a quantity to the difference between these ranks. The next level of measurement is the interval level of measurement, and data measured at the interval level can be ordered, but the differences now do make sense between them. It is meaningful. But the thing about the interval level is that there is no natural starting place. So there's actually not a whole lot of examples for data measured at the interval level. One of them is temperature. So we can definitely rank temperature, right? So, it's 30 degrees where I live right now, but maybe it's 70 degrees where you live. And so we can say that the difference in temperature between us is 40 degrees. So it does make sense to take the difference here. But we don't have actually a natural 0 starting point for temperature, because even if it's 0 degrees where I live, you can still keep getting colder, right? So there isn't really a starting place for temperature. And time also is a hard one to say that there's a starting place for. Again, differences between years make sense. I'm 10 years older than this person, but is there really a beginning of time necessarily? And then finally, most quantitative data is going to be measured at the ratio level. Data measured at the ratio level is always quantitative and can be ordered naturally. Differences and ratios between data values make sense, and there is a natural starting point. So a lot of things are measured at the ratio level. For example, exam scores, or scores on an assignment in a class, heights, weights. A lot of quantitative data gets measured at the ratio level. And also keep in mind that the nominal level is only going to be categorical or qualitative data.